In this video, we're going to look at an overview of the Create Links from Dictionary tool in the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. So what is this tool? It automatically adds links to all words and phrases listed in a user-specified list. When would we use it? We would use it when it's possible to create a list of all linking terms and terms that do not conform to a text pattern. This example shows how you can import an ASCII text file or use a document's bookmarks. The tool searches the page text for occurrences of this data and generates links. To use the tool, click Plugins, then Links, then Create Links from Dictionary. In the window that opens, select a linked dictionary to use by clicking the Browse button, or click Create New Dictionary to create a new one. Click the Add button to create a new search term. Enter the text that you want to add a link to. Select an action type from the drop-down list. Then type a file name. Select the way that the file will be opened, and then click OK. Click Import from Text to create link entries. In this window, select your chosen file. Use a comma-delimited ASCII text file. Any spreadsheet application, such as Microsoft Excel, can open and edit this file. A collection of records has been added. Click OK to proceed. Now save the linked dictionary. Optionally select some additional desired boxes, such as editing page range, page area, or link appearance. Click OK to start the process. A dialog box will show the total number of links that have been created. Click OK. The links will automatically have been added to text elements of the PDF document. Inspect and test these resulting links. Let's inspect the created links with the Edit File and Web References tool. It displays all file and web references for a currently opened PDF document. The Create Links from Dictionary tool is powerful for the automatic generation of hyperlinks in PDF documents. Learn more and download the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat at evermap.com.